Okay, so once your component is inserted, remember you can always click on the document list here. And if I want to move it again, I can always select it from there and choose move or copy. This will allow me to move or rotate it. Okay, and I'll just press enter to make sure I'm happy with it. Okay, so then we can go ahead and insert our second component into our drawing. Again, just give it a little bit of time. Okay, make sure you select the right arrow and move it around if you're not quite sure that you've got the right one. It's also handy to use this exact measurements. For example, I know that I need 90 degrees. So if I use that, I can definitely know that I have it. Again, look, I just press enter, which means I can't select it anymore. So select your component, right click, and then go to move and copy. Okay, this will allow me to put it into the correct position.